Do you want to learn OpenClaw but don't know what to do? This free course is for you. Follow along to learn step-by-step exactly what you need to do to go from 0 to 1 with OpenClaw. Let's dive in. To follow along, head to hatch.learnopenclaw.ai.
Welcome to OpenClaw Quests. This is step 1, setting up your terminal. Your terminal is how you'll talk to your computer, and soon to your AI agent. Whether you're on Mac, Windows, or Linux, we'll get you set up in under a minute. If you're on a Mac, it's super easy. Press Command plus Spacebar to open Spotlight Search. Then type Terminal and hit Enter. That's it, your terminal is ready. Pro tip, pin terminal to your dock. You'll be using it a lot from now on. On Windows, you'll want to install Git Bash. It gives you a Unix-like terminal experience. Head to gitscm.com/download/win and download the installer. Run the installer and keep all the default settings. Just click Next, Next Install. Once it's done, search for Git Bash in your Start menu and open it. If you're on Linux, you're already set. Linux comes with a terminal built in. Open it from your Applications menu or press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. No downloads, no setup needed. Nice. Now, no matter what system you're on, let's run your first command. Type echo space quote hello from my terminal quote and press enter. If you see the message printed back, congratulations, your terminal works. Everything you type here is a command. You're telling your computer what to do, one line at a time. You've completed step 1 of your OpenClaw quest. Your terminal is ready. Next up, connecting to your server. See you there. Completed step 1 of your OpenClaw quest. Your terminal is ready. Next up, connecting to your server. See you there. Your agent needs a server that's always on. Hetzner is the best value with servers starting from just $4 per month. DigitalOcean and Vultr are also solid choices. Pick the cheapest plan with 2 GB plus RAM. It works perfectly for your OpenClaw agent. After creation, your provider shows you an IP address and a root password. Copy both, you need them to connect. In your terminal, type SSH root followed by your server IP. When it asks, are you sure you want it to continue? Type yes. Enter your password. When typing, nothing will appear on screen. That's normal, just type it and press enter. Pro tip, copy and paste your password using your mouse. Right-click to paste. The terminal hides it for security, but it's there. You're in. If you see a new prompt, you're now controlling your remote server. Run hostname and uname-a to confirm. Step 1, create an OpenRouter account. OpenRouter gives you access to dozens of AI models like Claude, GPT, and Llama, all with one API key. Go to openrouter.ai and sign up. Step 2, get your API key. After signing up, go to Keys, then Create Key. Give it a name like OpenClaw. Copy the key. It looks like SKO or V1ABC123. Save this key somewhere safe, like a Notes app or password manager. You'll paste it during installation. Step 3, add credits to OpenRouter. OpenRouter is pay-as-you-go. Add $5 to $10 to start. Most messages cost fractions of a cent, so $5 will last you weeks. Claude 3.5 Haiku costs about 1/10 of a cent per message. Claude Sonnet 4.5 is smarter, but costs more, about 1 cent per message. Step 4, create a Telegram bot with BotFather. Open Telegram on your phone or desktop. Search for it BotFather and start a chat. Send /newbot and follow the prompts. BotFather asks for a display name, which can be anything, and a username which must end in bot, like myClawBot. Step 5, copy your Telegram bot token. After you create your bot, BotFather sends you a message with your bot token. It looks like numbers, letters, and numbers. Tap and hold on mobile or click on desktop to select and copy it. The token is the long string after use this token to access the HTTP API. If you lost it, send /token to BotFather. Step 6, save both keys. You now have 2 things ready, your OpenRouter API key, starting with SKO or V1, and your Telegram bot token, starting with numbers. Keep these handy. You'll paste them in the next quest during installation. Save them in a note on your phone so they're easy to copy during setup. First, open your terminal and SSH into your VPS, just like in Quest 2. Remember to paste your password with right-click. It won't show any characters when you type. Next, run the OpenClaw installer with one simple command. Just paste this curl command and press Enter. This takes 1 to 2 minutes to complete. The installer will ask you to pick a model. We recommend Claude Sonnet 4.5 for the smartest responses or Minimax for great value. Don't worry, you can change this later. When prompted, paste your OpenRouter API key from Quest 3. It starts with SK or V1. Next, paste your Telegram bot token from BotFather. It starts with numbers. That's it. OpenClaw is now installed on your server. Your AI agent is ready to go. If anything went wrong, you can safely rerun the install. First, start the OpenClaw gateway. This keeps your agent running and connected to Telegram. Just run OpenClaw gateway start. Once the gateway starts, OpenClaw will send you a message on Telegram with a pairing code. Open Telegram and look for the message from your bot. If you don't see it, make sure you've started a chat with your bot by searching for its username. Go back to your server terminal and approve the pairing. Run OpenClaw pairing approve Telegram, then paste your pairing code. If you missed the code, you can run OpenClaw pairing list to see pending pairings. Now verify everything is running. Run OpenClaw status. You should see a green status for Telegram. If it says disconnected, double-check your bot token. Finally, the moment of truth. Open Telegram, find your bot by its username, and send it hello. If it replies, congratulations, your agent is alive. The first message might take a few seconds as the AI model warms up, but after that, responses are fast. Step 1, say hello. Start simple. Send hey, who are you to your bot on Telegram. Your agent will respond based on its default personality. Step 2, generate a profile picture for your bot. Give your AI agent a face. Use any free AI image generator to create a profile picture. Good options include DALL-E via Bing Image Creator, Midjourney if you have access, or Leonardo.ai's free tier. Try a prompt like a friendly AI robot assistant, professional profile picture style, or a cute lobster mascot, cartoon style. Step 3, set your bot's profile picture on Telegram. Open Telegram and search for @BotFather. Send /mybots, select your bot, then tap Edit Bot, then Edit Bot Pic. Upload the image you generated. Now your agent has a face. You can also change your bot's name and description here. Make it your own. Step 4, ask it to do something useful. Try asking it to search the web, summarize something, or help with a task. For example, search the web for the latest AI news today. What's the weather in Dubai? Write me a haiku about coding. Your agent has access to web search, file operations, code execution, and more. Try asking, what tools do you have? Step 5, test its knowledge. Tell it something about yourself. Say, my name is your name and I'm learning OpenClaw. Later ask, what's my name? It remembers within the conversation. Step 6, ask it to read a file. Your agent can read files on the server. Try asking it to look at its own config. Say, read the agents.md file and tell me what's in it. This demonstrates your agent's workspace access. Step 7, keep chatting. Send at least 5 messages. The more you interact, the more you'll discover. Try asking it to write code, explain concepts, or plan something for you. Fun experiment. Ask, what's the most creative thing you can do, and see what happens. First, tell your agent to create its identity. Just message it on Telegram and say, create an identity.md file for yourself. Pick a name you like, choose an emoji, and describe your personality. Your agent will create the file itself. You can suggest a name or let it choose. It's fun to see what it picks. Next, tell your agent about yourself. Your agent has a user.md file where it stores info about you. Just tell it naturally. Update user.md with my info. My name is your name, I'm in your time zone, and I prefer step-by-step explanations. I'm currently learning OpenClaw. Now set up long-term memory. Ask your agent to create its memory structure. Say, create a memrmd file and a memory directory for daily notes. In memory.md, note that today is the day we first met. This is how your agent remembers things between conversations. Finally, test the memory system. In a new conversation or after some time, ask your agent personal questions. Say, what do you know about me? What's your name? If it remembers, the memory system is working. Your agent now has continuity across sessions. What's a cron job? A cron job is a task that runs on a schedule, like an alarm clock for your agent. For example, every morning at 9 a.m., search for AI news and send me a summary. That's the power of automation. Step 1, ask your agent to create a cron job. Just tell your agent what you want in plain English. It handles all the scheduling details. For example, every morning at 9 a.m., search the web for today's top AI news and send me a 3-bullet summary. Or remind me every day at 6 p.m. to drink water. Start simple. A daily reminder or news digest is perfect for your first automation. Step 2, verify the job was created. Ask your agent to list your scheduled jobs to make sure it's saved. Just say, "Show me all my cron jobs." Your agent will show you the schedule and what each job does. Step 3. Wait for it to run or test immediately. If you set a daily job, you can ask your agent to run it right now to test. Just say, "Run my cron job now so I can test it." No need to wait until the scheduled time. Step 4. Check it ran successfully. After it runs, ask for the status. You want to see last status? Okay, just say, "Did my cron job run successfully? What was the status?" If there's an error, your agent will help you fix it. Congratulations, your agent is now working for you 24/7. Power users run 10 to 20 automations, news digests, website monitoring, social media posts, email summaries, and more. What will you automate next? What are skills? Skills are pre-built instruction packages that teach your agent new abilities, like checking the weather, managing Google Calendar, or generating videos. Think of them as apps for your agent. Step 1. Install your first skill. Ask your agent to browse and install a skill. The weather skill is a great starter. No API key required. Just say, "Search ClawHub for available skills," and install the weather skill. After installing, test it by asking, "What's the weather in New York right now?" Step 2. Set up Brave Search API for better web search. Your agent can search the web by default, but adding a Brave Search API key gives it much better results. Go to brave.com/search/API and create a free account. The free tier gives you 2,000 searches per month. Step 3. Add your Brave API key. Once you have your Brave API key, tell your agent to configure it. Just say, "Add my Brave Search API key to the config," then paste your key. With Brave Search configured, your agent's web research becomes significantly more accurate and detailed. Step 4. Test web search. Try a research query to see the improved search in action. For example, research the top 5 AI agent frameworks in 2026 and compare them. Your agent can now do deep, accurate web research for you. Go social. First, create an x.com account for your bot. If you don't already have a separate Twitter account for your bot, create one now. Go to x.com and sign up with a new email address. Choose a username that represents your bot, like at myclawbot. Pro tip, use a separate email for your bot account. Gmail allows plus addressing. Your name plus bot name at gmail.com counts as a unique email to X, but goes to your main inbox. Step 1. Create a Twitter developer account. Log into your bot's X account, then go to developer.x.com and sign up for a developer account. The free tier gives you enough API access to get started. Important. Make sure you're logged into your bot account, not your personal X account, before applying for developer access. Step 2. Create a new app and get credentials. In the developer portal, create a new project and app. You'll need 4 credentials: API key, API secret, access token, and access token secret. Make sure to set your app permissions to read and write if you want your agent to post tweets. Step 3. Tell your agent to store the credentials. Message your agent with the credentials so it can save them securely. Your agent stores these in a .n file on your server. They never leave your VPS and are kept completely secure. Step 4. Test the connection. Ask your agent to verify Twitter is working. Just say, "Test my Twitter connection. What's the latest tweet on my timeline?" This confirms your API access is properly configured. Step 5. Try posting. If you're feeling brave, ask your agent to draft a tweet for your approval. For example, draft a tweet about how I just set up my own AI agent with OpenClaw. Don't post it yet, show me first. Always review before posting. Start with drafts until you're comfortable with automated posts. Lock the door. Why SSH keys? Right now, you type your password every time you SSH in. SSH keys are like a digital key card, more secure and no password needed. Plus, they protect your server from brute force attacks. Step 1. Generate an SSH key on your computer, not the server. Open the terminal on your local machine, Mac, Windows, or Linux, not the VPS, and run SSH Keegan-T ed25519-cyor at email.com. Press enter for all the prompts to use defaults. You can add a passphrase for extra security or leave it empty. Step 2. Copy your key to the server. This command sends your public key to the server so it recognizes your computer. SSH copy ID root at your server IP. On Windows with Git Bash, if SSH copy ID doesn't work, you can manually copy the contents of ~/.ssh/id_ed25519.pub and paste it into authorized keys on your server. Step 3. Test it. Log in without a password. Disconnect from your server by typing exit and SSH back in. If it logs you in without asking for a password, it worked. If it still asks for a password, check that the key permissions are correct. On the server, run chmod700 ~/.ssh and chmod600 ~/.ssh/authorized keys. Step 4. Disable password login, recommended for maximum security. This disables password authentication entirely, so only SSH keys will work. Ask your agent, disable password authentication for SSH and only allow key-based login. Make sure to keep my current session alive while doing this. Important warning, only do this after confirming key login works. Otherwise, you could lock yourself out. Step 1. SSH into your server. Open your terminal on your local machine and SSH into your VPS. Make sure you're connected to your server before running the dashboard command. Step 2. Start the OpenClaw dashboard. Run this command on your server. The dashboard will start and give you two important things, a tunnel command and a URL. The output will say no GUI detected and show you what to do next. Don't close this terminal. The dashboard needs to stay running. Step 3. Copy and run the tunnel command locally. OpenClaw will output a command that looks like ssh-ns l18789.127.0.001 on done root at your server IP. Copy that exact command. Open a new terminal tab on your local machine, not the server, and paste it there. Press enter. This terminal will appear to hang with no output. That's normal. It's creating a secure tunnel. Keep it open. Step 4. Open the dashboard URL in your browser. Back in the first terminal on the server, OpenClaw also showed you a URL with a token, like http 127.0.1.1878 equals abc1ab123xyzs. Copy that entire URL, including the hash token part. Open it in your browser, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use, on your local machine. The token in the URL is important. It authenticates you to the dashboard. Don't share it. Step 5. Explore your mission control. You should now see your agent's dashboard. Explore the sections. Sessions shows your chat history. Cron jobs shows your scheduled automations. Status shows system health. And logs show what your agent has been doing. This is your mission control. Monitor everything, manage automations, and see what your agent is up to, all from this dashboard. Congratulations, you've completed the journey. You went from zero to a fully operational AI agent with a VPS running 24/7, Telegram integration, web search and skills, automated tasks, secure SSH access, and a dashboard to monitor it all. Your egg is ready to hatch, from egg to lobster. Well done.